Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to open the back cover and replace the DC in or power connector in a Dell Vostro 145459. To avoid losing data, save and close all open files and exit all open programs before you turn off your laptop. Disconnect all power sources before opening the laptop. Tools that you would require: a Phillips screwdriver, a Spudger or Prying tool. Use an anti-static wrist strap to avoid electrostatic discharge. Your replacement part would be your DC in or power connector. To avoid electrostatic discharge, ground yourself using a wrist grounding strap or by periodically touching an unpainted metal surface. You will need to remove these 10 screws that secure the back cover to the laptop. Turn the screws anti-clockwise to remove. Remove all the screws and keep it aside in a safe place. Now, using the spudger or prying tool, pry the edges of the back cover from all sides to release the locks securing the back cover to the laptop. You have locking tabs out here, disengage them. There you go, the back cover is out. Now lift the back cover from the laptop and keep it aside. This laptop has already been opened before, as we see insulation tape by the battery and SSD. As it's a bit dusty out here, I'll quickly clean the area out here. Before proceeding with any work on the board, disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system board. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system board in the direction of the arrow. Disconnect the DC in connector cable from the system board like so. To remove the power connector, you need to lift the hinge which is secured to the laptop chassis by two screws. The first screw is located out here. Using a Phillips screwdriver, turn counterclockwise to remove. Keep the screw in a safe place. Remove the display cable out of the way so that you could freely access the second screw and lift the hinge. That's where the second screw is located. Disconnect the display cable from the system board by lifting the tab to unlock and pulling out the cable. Now we can access the screw out here. Remove it by turning counterclockwise using a Phillips screwdriver. Keep the screw aside in a safe place. You won't be able to move the hinge with your bare hands. So lift the laptop chassis from the display like this to move the hinge. Now remove the damaged or faulty DC in connector. You can see the damage to the DC in connector marked by the arrow. Here's a new DC in connector. The buying link I have shared in the description. Align and put in the DC in connector like so. Push down on the hinge like this. Connect the power cable connector to the system board. Put back the two screws securing the hinge to the laptop chassis. Turn the screws clockwise to tighten. Now let's connect the display cable to the connector on the system board. Lock the connector like so. Connect the battery cable to the connector on the system board. Install the back cover by aligning the back cover with the screw holes on the laptop. Tighten the screws turning clockwise to secure the base cover to the laptop. After working inside your laptop, connect the power jack to the DC in and connect the adapter to an electrical outlet. Now power on your laptop and check if everything works fine. That will be all in this video. Hope this video is of help. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on new videos. See you next time.